Hello guys, welcome to the next video of this playlist Python for beginners. Currently in this playlist we are exploring data science for beginners. Let's continue this journey of exploration. For that let's move to our destination folder. So this is our today's destination folder as you can see. In last video we have successfully created a basic user interface for our machine learning model that we created for Titanic dataset using Streamlit. So let's simply open this folder in VS Code to check the output, so that we can connect with the last video idea. So I will simply open your terminal because the folder is open in the correct terminal. And I will simply type streamlit run main.py. I hope it will directly run our program. So these are the options. Make it female. Let's make this 24. Siblings 1, 2. Warehouse is middle class. So let's make it 21. Endpoints, let's say Southampton. Let's put it. The answer is passenger will serve, which means our model is working correctly. So this was the output of last video. Now in this video, I will teach you how you can host this application on web so that anyone in this world can access your application. So if you have come till here, I am definitely sure you already have a GitHub account. So simply log into a GitHub account and simply open it. So this is my GitHub account. Now I will upload the files on my GitHub account, but before uploading, we have to simply create a requirement.txt file. So to create requirement.txt file, let's move back to VS Code. And I will simply create a requirements.txt. This requirement.txt file will contain all packages, libraries that you use to create a model right from scratch. So let's explore the main.py file. So in this main.py file, we have used two packages. Let's simply write these packages. Streamlit and pickle. Then simply let's open this Jupyter file here only. Then simply use pandas here. So let's type pandas. Then moving down, Seaborn package. So let's simply type as Seaborn. Then after that, I have simply used this. Let's scroll down. Direct, I think I use sklearn. So let's type the name as scikit-learn. So the name will be, let's type the name as pip installs sklearn. So the actual name is scikit-learn. So I will simply copy this and paste it here. And I think we have included all packages or libraries that we have used to create our entire model. So let's save this requirement.txt file with 5 imports or 5 libraries. So we are good to go. Click on this create new repository. So let's give the repository name as Titanic Survival Prediction. So the name is available. Now let's do a small description. So this is the description, a very small description. I simply give any random description. You can give it according to the requirement. So the name of our repository is Titanic Survival Prediction. I hope it's correct. Now I have initialized the repository as public. If you wish, you can simply click on this add readme file, or there is no need also. Now let's simply click on this create repository. So the repository is created in front of you. Now you want to upload existing files. So simply click on this upload an existing files. So this is a drop down of GitHub. So simply go to a folder, select model, Titanic is not required. These 3 files, simply drag and drop here. So the files are uploading as you can see. Now after uploading, simply click comment changes. So it's processing our files and we are good to go. I am Streamlit to create user interface. So we have to host our project on Streamlit only. So to open Streamlit, I will simply type here Streamlit. So this is the Streamlit. So this is official website is streamlit.ie. Make sure you have to make your account. I will simply sign in now because I have already created an account, and I think it will simply open my recent projects. So let's wait. So these are all my recent projects as you can see. In your case, there will be 0 projects if you have not used this Streamlit. So simply click on this new app. So it is asking that do you have an app? So it's the code available in GitHub requirements totally awesome. And second option is no, create one from a template. But we have already uploaded a source code on this GitHub repo, which means we have to simply click on this yes or click the next button. So it is asking the name of that repo. So name of the repo is Titanic Survival Prediction. Branch main, which is correct, which is this main branch. Then it is giving that the file doesn't exist because the file name is main.py and not Streamlit app. So just replace it with the file name with gn.py and the URL. So let's give a URL as Titanic Survival Prediction. And now let's see the advanced settings. So the advanced settings Python 3.9. So let's make it 3.8. And it might generate some errors because we have created this program in Python 3.7 version and we are deploying it in 3.8 version. So it might create some errors. So let's click on this deploy button and let's wait for the magic. It normally takes few minutes to deployment. So if you want to see the deployment process, you can simply click on this manage app button which will appear here. So this is appear here. So this is the process. Now let's wait for some time and let's check if any errors occur or not. So as you can see, our app is successfully hosted. Now let's minimize this by clicking on this icon. And this is our hosted app and this is the live URL of our app. You can simply test this URL by typing here name. So the project is Titanic Survival Prediction, which is exactly same of our localhost or that we run in our local machine. So type of passengers, male, female, let's type the age as 34. Now let's kill this passenger. So let's make it in male, siblings let's say 2, parents 1, fare of journey, he's middle class, so let's make it 14. Chairman, let's make a sound campaign. Now let's predict. The passenger will not survive because he is male and not rich. Congratulations, we have successfully completed the Titanic Survival Prediction web app, where we started from downloading the dataset from Kaggle, understood the dataset, cleaned the dataset, performed some data analysis, and also replaced some column data types, then created our own model, dumped that model using Pickle, and simply hosted the project on Streamlit. And the app is live in front of you. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to share it with your family and friends. And if you face any queries while hosting this app, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Also, the requirement.txt file will be made available to you as a output of today's video. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.